Awaken with EmpressNandi. Know thyself
Ma'at, cosmic order, truth, justice, perfect balance. The Logos, divine law, fairness, right order. Ma'at's purpose is to divert isfet, or chaos. To gain access to the final chamber leading to the halls of Amenti, one must pontificate the 42 admonitions of Ka, 42 statements of innocence, 42 negative confessions, 42 positive pontifications of Ma'at. Anubis, the setter of scales, places the initiate's heart soul, or Ka, on one side of the scale. Its counterweight is truth, represented by the feather of Shu. The initiate must pronounce all 42 positive pontifications, while the weighted Ka, or heart soul, will reveal the truth or non-truth of each pontification. In the Duat, the place for judgment, the hall of two truths, Tehuti holds a tablet and a writing tool to record the scale's reading of the 42 pontifications of the petitioner. If your heart is Anubis approved, Tehuti leads you from Duat to ARUS, the field of reeds, the place where Ausar, the final gatekeeper, awaits. Negative confessions are both counterintuitive and counterproductive. When we focus attention upon what we do not desire, we are in fact bringing it closer to fruition. It is much better to frame your desires positively. It is in the vein of this wisdom that I present to you 42 positive pontifications of Ma'at. I am divine order, truth, and justice. I receive abundance in accordance to my alignment with divine order and truth. I respect the property of others. I affirm that all life is sacred. I manifest my fair share of food. I give generous offerings of my first fruit. I offer homage and praise to God and Goddess. Almighty Ma'at, 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 to you and your divine order I pray. Almighty Ma'at, 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 your divine truth lights my way. I honor and speak truth. I eat only my fair share of food. I speak truth, light, and life. I open my physical and spiritual ears to truth. I honor the sacred vows of others. I am the joy bringer. I am emotionally balanced and healthy. Almighty Ma'at, Ma'at, Ma'at. Truth, order, and justice is my state. Almighty Ma'at, Ma'at, Ma'at. Bless my soul's eternal fate. I honor every soul's physical temple. I am trustworthy. I honor property lines and laws. I mind my business and respect the business of others. I judge righteously. My temperance is divine. I honor marriage as sacred. Almighty Ma'at, 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 to your cosmic order I bow. Almighty Ma'at, 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 with your divine justice, chaos is averted now. I hold myself in the highest esteem. I bring harmony to others. I am divine law, morning, noon, and night. I am harmony and exuberance. I consciously co-create with God and Goddess. I think, speak, and act from divine love and light. I am peace in all circumstances. Almighty Ma'at, 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 I pontificate 42 confessions of Ka. Almighty Ma'at, 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 fill my mind, heart, and soul with the light of Ra. I act from divine guidance exclusively. I respect the boundaries of others. I speak crystal clear truth from divine knowing. I am an alchemist of right order. I breathe life into others with thought, word, and action, my divine tools of creation. I keep the waters sacred and pure. I confidently command conscious creation. Almighty Ma'at, 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 grant access to the halls of Amenti. Almighty Ma'at, 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 my soul light forever honors thee. I speak words of life over my trespassers. I am humble and honor my soul's standing granted by the divine. I give to Maat and Tehuti my total devotion. I pay homage to the deceased. I acknowledge that life is eternal. I am an earth angel to all children. I am regal in demeanor. I honor the property of the gods, and I hold sacred objects consecrated to divine. Almighty Ma'at, 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 I am humbled to see your face. Almighty Ma'at, 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 I am honored by your divine grace. Almighty Ma'at, 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 I thank you for opening the next chamber to Amenti's gate.
You Ah